Hi everyone, welcome back to a personal portfolio web application built with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create a project model, migration, seeding the database with project, and then display our project from database and show it in table. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is to make this link workable. When we click on this link, we need to take the user to the project list page. So we'll do that by going on routes in web.php file, create a route which will handle get request /admin/projects to the project controller. In index function, the root name it will be admin.project.index. Alright, we haven't created this project controller. We'll create it by running in our terminal php artisan make controller. Add the name of our controller, project controller, located in our admin folder. Alright. Let's go back in our web.php file and import this project controller from controller. Alright. Now we are going to create our index function in project controller. So let's go in project controller. Over here, create a function called index, which will return the view index located in our admin.projects folder. Alright. We haven't created this index view, so we'll create it by going on resources, on views, on admin, create a folder called projects. In project folder, create a file called index.blade.php. Within, we are going to extend layout.admin.base and session content. Within, add a title, hello. Now when we visit our /admin/projects, we see we are in our project page with our hello message. Alright, now we are going to add the design template of this project page. I have already created the design template located in our public folder on template on backend in our project.html. We'll go over here, copy this table and go in our index.blade.php file and paste it over here. Alright, now you see our project page was changed. Here we are going to walk around on fetching our project from database and show it in this table. To do that, we need first to create our model. So let's go in our terminal and run php artisan make model and add the name of our model, which is project, and -m for migration. We finished to create our model and migration. So let's go in our project migrations, add some columns over here, table string image, which will be nullable, table string title, which will be nullable, table text description, which will be nullable, and then table string link, which will be nullable. We finished to add our columns. Let's run our migration in our terminal by using this php artisan migration command. Alright, we'll check it out that it appear in our database folder in database.sql file under project. As you can see, our column has been added in this table. Now we are going to fill out this table with test projects. So we'll go in our terminal and run php artisan db seeder and add the name of our seeder, which is project seeder. Our seeder has been generated. We'll go in our project seeder and add some tests project over here. db table project, insert our first project with image, no image.png, add title, add the description, and then add the link. Don't forget to import this db facade. All right, and then let's update our database seeder. Over here, add project seeder class. All right, now we are going on our terminal and run php artisan db seed and add the name of our seeder, which is project seeder. All right, we'll check it out that they appear in our database .sqlite file under project, and here they are. Now we are going to walk around of displaying all project from database and show it in this table. All right, to do that, the first thing you are going to do is to go in our project controller. In our index function over here, create a variable called projects, which will get all projects, order by ID, desk. All right, don't forget to import this project from models. All right, and then pass it to our view with compact. Now we are going to our index.blade.php file. We are going to add a loop with for each, which will get projects as project, and then move this table to our loop. All right, and here add a condition. If the project image is exist, show the image from images folder. Otherwise, show the image from templates assets folder. All right, and over here it will be project title, here it will be project description, and then here it will be project link. All right, as you can see, we finished to fetch our project from database. Let's stay here on this video. In upcoming video, we are going to see how to create a new project. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to keep going. Thank you for watching.